Hello everyone, in this video we study about open loop system and closed loop system and compare both of them. So let's see. So first we see the block diagram of both open loop system and closed loop system. So block diagram of open loop system is like this. It is very simple. Here control signal is the input to the plant and plant produces the output. Here control action is taken by the controller and control action taken by the controller is only depend on the input, not on the output, because as there is no feedback in open loop system. Now we see the block diagram of closed loop system. So this is the block diagram of closed loop system, in which the error signal is the input to the controller and the control signal produced by the controller is the input to the plant, which produces output. Here error signal is the combination of both input and feedback signal. So as the controller depends on both input signal and output signal as feedback, so it is having more accuracy than closed loop system. So now we compare both open loop system and closed loop system for different parameters. So first is high gain. Open loop system has open loop so first is high gain. Open loop system having high gain as compared to, and the reason behind of low gain in closed loop system is due to feedback, because due to feedback overall gain of the system decreases. And this second comparison point is accuracy. So the open loop system having low accuracy as compared to closed loop system, and the reason behind it is feedback. There is no feedback in open loop system, so system cannot detect the output. And next comparison is sensitivity. Open loop system is more sensitive as compared to closed loop system, as the gain in the open loop system is more as compared to closed loop system. So that's why the sensitivity of open loop system is more as compared to closed loop system. Next, bandwidth. Open loop system having less bandwidth as compared to closed loop system, because the gain in the open loop system is more as compared to closed loop system. So that's why open loop system has less bandwidth as compared to closed loop system. So next is stability. Open loop system mostly stable maximum of the time, but in closed loop system due to feedback it may get unstable. So cost wise open loop system is having less cost as compared to closed loop system, as there are less elements and blocks in open loop system as compared to closed loop system. Easy implementation, as there are less blocks in open loop system as compared to closed loop system. Next comparison is maintenance. As there are few blocks in open loop system, so that's why its maintenance is easy and cheaper as compared to closed loop system, which are having more blocks as compared to open loop system. And the next and the last comparison is speed. In open loop system our gain is very high, due to which we get instant output, so that's why we have fast speed in open loop system. In closed loop system our gain is low as compared to open loop system, so that's why we are having slow speed in closed loop system. So last example of open loop system and closed loop system are toasters, washing machines, and here in closed loop system air conditioners, cruise controls, cruise control. So this is all about the video, and I hope you get some idea about open loop system and closed loop system. Thank you.